how to make the dessert that won us safety on Crime Scene Kitchen. For our shortbread crust, we're starting with 1.5 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 10 tablespoons of butter. I like to scrape down the package to get every bit of butter. Now we'll mix this up and add our vanilla as it starts to combine. Now we're gonna take our buttery dough and place it into a 8x8 pan that's prepared with parchment paper. And we're gonna press this all the way to the edges into one even layer. Now these are a little bit different than a traditional lemon bar, or what would you think of when you picture a lemon bar? Because in the pressure of the Crime Scene Kitchen, I could not think for the life of me of the recipe for a traditional lemon bar filling. It really didn't even cross my mind, and so I was like, you know what we can make delicious lemon curd and whipped cream and have it more of a chilled, almost like pie bar. Pierce with a fork. Now this is going into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. For our non-traditional filling, we're gonna start with 2 cups of heavy cream that we'll whip up to whipped cream, and I'm using my magic whipped cream recipe for a little extra stability. To our stabilized whipped cream, we're gonna add chilled lemon curd. And this lemon curd is so zingy and delicious. Oh, it's amazing. I wanna eat it by the spoonful with berries. Now we're just gonna fold the whipped cream into that lemon curd, not only to lighten it, but also to have a really nice texture for these bars. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring to make sure the visual matches the flavor. Oh my gosh, this looks so yummy. We're gonna add this filling right on top of our completely cooled crust. We're also gonna smooth this out, making sure we get to all of those edges so we all have a delicious bite. Now, this is going in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours. Today we're recreating exactly what we made on the show, but if I were to make this again, I think I would like to add maybe swirls of raspberry jam or even raspberry curd along with the lemon curd, maybe even fresh raspberries mixed into the smooth topping. Sometimes I think, how can I forget what a lemon bar really is and come up with this? But it's that creativity that we need in a pinch that sometimes results in some extra delicious creations we wouldn't otherwise find. For more baking and uplifting content like this, subscribe. And if you'd like to watch Crime Scene Kitchen, check us out on Thursday nights on your local Fox channel or Fridays on Hulu.